Here's the test for you. Close your eyes like that and ask yourself, what kind of picture about me I see? Do I see myself healthy or unhealthy? Do I see myself beautiful or not beautiful? Do I see myself fit or fat? Do I see myself good or bad? According to this image, you create yourself in the future. So if your test showed that you saw a negative picture, you need to recreate this internal picture of yourself right now. Change it. Close your eyes and imagine a better version of yourself. Because this version, internal version of you, will create who you are going to be in the future.